Hello everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I want to discuss how to move one item in an existing box in the app into another box. So you don't need to delete anything, you can easily transfer over an item from one box to another. So I'm going to demonstrate how that's done in the app today. So to move one item in an existing box to another box is very simple. So first you just log into the Everspruce app and then find the item that you want to relocate. I'm going to just use my tags. I'm going to use an example, my Canon camera. So right now it's in my master closet in my top drawer. So let's say I want to move that to a place in my office where I keep my other camera equipment. So I'm going to push the edit button, and then you can see under edit photo, it says move to another box. I'm going to click that button, and then I'm going to find the drawer that's in my office and say save. So now you can see that this item, this Canon camera, has been moved into a drawer that's in my office. That simple. So you can easily move things around. You don't have to delete and retake photos of items. The app will adjust to whatever you're doing in your home to move things around that you find later on is just a better fit, a better spot for that item in your home. So also you are able to move boxes into different areas, not just items. So I'm going to demonstrate how that's done right now. So let's pick a box. I'm going to highlight the box area, and let's say box 1 for me, it looks like is where I keep my Halloween and costume area. So right now that box 1 is located in my garage. Since Halloween is coming up, I may want to pull some of that stuff out and take it out of the garage and temporarily move it to another area. So I'm going to click the edit button and say move to another area. I'm going to click that button, and let's say I'm going to temporarily move that box into the office. So now that box 1 is now moved from my garage into my office, and click save, and that's done. So now when I go to boxes and I click box 1, it's going to show that I have moved it into the office from the garage. Really that simple. So you don't need to delete anything. The app will do the work for you. You just need to just tell it where you want those items, where you want those boxes moved to, and the app will do it for you. So that's it. So that's my demo of how to move existing items and boxes into other areas and into different boxes. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.